Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really simple denim bikini. If you do like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be really appreciated, and please do enjoy, guys. So starting things off, I'm taking my denim fabric and I'm just folding the fabric into 4 pieces, and I'm going to be using a swimsuit top just to trace around as a guide for how big the triangle needs to be. If you don't have a bikini top, you can use like a sports bra or a bra, anything that you have in hand, just to give you a nice estimation of what size the triangle needs to be. So while doing this, at first I was just going to cut out 4 triangle pieces, but then after cutting it out I realized that actually I was going to leave the bottom part of the bikini top just so that it's because it's already folded in half, I wouldn't have to re-stitch it again, if that makes sense. But this basically helps with me making the channel that the straps are going to go through at the bottom. It's kind of difficult for me to explain now, but you're going to see it on camera. Now I'm just adding a 1 cm seam allowance around the triangle. You don't have to use a pattern master like I am doing. You can literally eyeball it or just use like a ruler or anything like that. So as you can see, I'm cutting out the bikini top, but I'm leaving the bottom part of the pattern uncut. So when you open up the pattern, you're going to have 2 diamonds. So it will just make it much more easier when you're stitching the channel. So now I've just cut 4 strips of fabric, but I would suggest you to cut 5. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stitch them together 1.5 centimeters, and this is just going to be the straps for the bikini. And then once you've sewn that up, you just need to cut off any excess of fabric. So I'm just cutting maybe like a millimeter away from the sewing line. This is just to make it easier for when you fold in the fabric to make the straps. I'm not sure of the name of the gadget, but I'm just using this hook thing to pull the fabric inside out, so all of your ugly seams and hems are going to go on the inside of the strap, and you're going to be left with a really nice clean strap to put on your bikini. I'm now stitching the 2 sides of the bikini top, so I'm just folding over that centimeter seam allowance and just stitching that over. And what I'm going to do with the bottom part of the bikini is I'm literally just going to top stitch a centimeter or a centimeter and a half, so that the bikini straps can go through it, so it's like a little mini channel. And here you can just see I'm cutting off the excess at the bottom of the bikini top just so that the strings can go through the channel. It is quite hard for me to explain, but I feel like it's more like understandable when you're doing it or when you're watching it. And I'm just removing all of the extra fabric and string, so now you can just see what the inside of the bikini top looks like. This isn't compulsory, but I'm going to add eyelets to the bikini as a nice little detail for the straps. You can, if you don't want to do this, you can literally just stitch the strap for the top half of the bikini on instead of using the eyelets. I'm now taking the strap I made and I'm just going to put it through the channel at the bottom of the bikini top. Just one of them. together 2 pieces of denim fabric, and I'm just tracing around this bikini bottom. Your one doesn't have to be the exact same shape as this, just use any type of shape you like. And I'm just using my pencil to mark around this, and then I'm going to go back in with my pattern master to add a centimetre seam allowance. As I said before, you don't have to use a pattern master, you can eyeball it or use a ruler. Just like the bikini top, I'm going to be folding over the seam allowance and stitching 1 centimetre. I felt like this would be a better technique than bagging it out, just because the denim looked quite nice with a top stitch. Just one of them. And now I'm just marking out where I want my eyelets to be, and I'm just doing the same technique as with the bra, and I'm just gonna cut a hole through the fabric, and then I'm gonna push through the eyelets. If you don't really understand how to do eyelets, there's several techniques on YouTube, as well as the packaging of the eyelets will tell you how to do it as well. I got a bit lazy and I realised that I needed an extra strap, and I just decided to cut it in half. I do recommend that you make sure that the strings are long enough, just because it might make it a bit too difficult for you to put it on, but it was fine, I managed to fit into them. I hope everyone loves the outcome of this bikini. If you have any questions regarding how to make it, please leave them down below and I'll be happy to respond. Really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you later.